Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper Countryman hood. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. It's important to turn off the engine and engage the parking brake before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental movement. Once those initial steps are complete, you're ready to find the primary hood release lever inside the car. Now let's find that crucial interior release lever. Look down in the driver's footwell, typically on the lower left side near the door sill. You'll often see a small handle or lever, sometimes marked with an image of a car with its hood up. Give this lever a firm pull towards you. You should hear a clear pop or click sound, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Mini. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap above the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You'll need to feel around for a secondary safety latch. This is often a small lever or tab, usually positioned near the center. Push or pull this secondary mechanism to completely free the hood. Now that both latches are open, gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the hood support rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Take this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot or hole within the engine bay. Make absolutely sure the hood is securely propped open before you do anything else. This prevents accidental closure and ensures your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.